Dermatologist recommended. Skin Cleanser Neutrogena Active Ingredients, water, glycerin, Lauryl Glucoside, Decyl Glucoside, Cocamidopropyl Betaine, Glycerin 7, Ammonium Laureth Sulfate, Sodium Cocoyl Sarcosinate, Glycol Stearate, Cocamide MEA, PEG 120 Methyl Glucose Dioleate, Tetrasodium EDTA, DMDM Hydantoin, fragrance wet face and hands with lukewarm water. Pump cleanser into hands and work into a foamy lather. Massage lather onto face with a gentle, circular motion. Massage around eyes several times until all eye makeup is removed. Rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry with a soft towel. Uses, a makeup remover and cleanser in one. Easily removes dirt and oil without overdrying. Removes makeup, even waterproof eye makeup, without stinging or irritating the sensitive eye area. Rinses completely clean, with no pore clogging residue for refreshingly clean skin. Soap, alcohol, and oil-free. Non-comedogenic, hypo-allergenic, dermatologist tested. Product of Neutrogena Pack of 8. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.